Hi, welcome back. I'm just going to do a quick video today. Just going to do a what's going out. What sold yesterday? Nothing major, not much, but worth a little look. A couple of the items. First up, we've just got a Shrek the Third PS2 game. It is brand new and sealed. Only up for about 12, I think, but then I've taken an offer for £9, free postage, but that just goes large letter. Then we had this Star Wars bundle. It's the Blade Builders, so you've got your lightsaber, you've got a couple of little green lightsabers there, and basically you can just connect them all up wherever you want, build your own lightsaber wherever you like. We bought a load of these, we bought a whole box of these at a car boot for £5. We've already sold most of the bundles. We have one bundle of these left now, pretty much similar, just the lightsaber's different. This lot, we took an offer on these as well. This went for £15 plus the £4 postage. Now this won't go as a small parcel, but because I have a Royal Mail OBA account, I can send a medium parcel for the same price as a small parcel, as long as it's still under the 2 kilograms. So that's not bad. £15 into good profit on the bundle of them we bought. And we just got Eric Cole Caterpillar book and plush. That has gone on the sale for £8.96 and £3.50 postage. So nothing major there either. Then we just got a little Mills and Boon 3-book set. That was £8.99, free postage. So there's not much profit in these, but they do sell every single day and multiple times a day. So that's what they call your bread and butter, apparently. And then last of all, this Star Wars trilogy, A New Hope by John Williams. It's just a double cassette. I think I picked this up for about 25 or 50p. That has sold for, what has that sold for? So that has sold for £15.99 and £3.50 post. So that's a pretty good one. I don't know if there's any more around. Pretty rare, I think these ones are. But I might just take these tapes out of here and flatten the cardboard down, because the cardboard sleeve does just open up. I hate people that try and do stuff one-handed. I'm trying to do it myself. Yeah, so one side of it just undoes like a box, so I might send that as a large letter and just flatten it down. Hopefully it'll stop the... I mean, the box is in good condition, so hopefully if I just send that as a large letter, flat packed, wrapped in some paper, hopefully that will keep that in good condition. And it'll be cheap at a post. So that's what's going out. Now it just needs packing. Boxed and weighed. Bagged and ready to go. Alright, Nicola's finally finished photographing them, listing them. So I can just get them all boxed up now, out of the way. And I can rip all of this down out of here so I can get to taking all that old wallpaper off there. I've already replastered this fireplace wall, been painting the ceiling. So now I can get all this out of here. That's going to be my job for tomorrow. Alright, and this stereo we picked up from auction for £3, £4.70 with commission. Everything's working except the tapes. There's a surprise. So this is a bit of a big beast to have on the desk and try and film. So I'm just going to undo the screws on the side, try and take the back off. Oh, just drop the CD inside. So yeah, just going to undo this, take it off, see if we can get to the belts. Get rid of the CD that was in there, a bit of Placido Domingo. Wow, it's so basic inside, it's empty, it's so basic. Sides just slide off, slide back, nice and easy. I don't know whether you can see, but just down here are our belts, and that one is just flapping about in the wind, and so is that one. Actually, is that one long belt? Let's pull this out of here. And I think it's the two belts are going to one motor. I think one motor's doing them both. But yeah, that's knackered. See if we can get the light over there. There we go. Yeah, so that's one belt that's snapped in half. And then this other belt is just, I don't think that's snapped in half, but that is just, that is gone. That was overstretched. That is, yeah, there you go. It just pulls apart. That is knackered. So have we got anything in my belts that are going to fit? And like I say, I need to get more of these because I am running out of the decent sizes. Got loads of these silly little ones left. So I kind of like need it to be this length, but smaller. I don't know, it could be that one. Try and see if we can squeeze one of them in. Have we got another the same? Those two are the same size. So this is the only motor that's in there. Try and get the light in. So this is, yeah, so this is the, looks like it runs off that one motor. It's got two pulleys the same on the bottom there. One belt comes up to this tape deck and the other belt goes down to that tape deck spool down there, pulley down there. Let's see if we can get these round it. I'm trying to balance the machine on my fat gut so I can keep this in shot. I'm probably going to get my hands in the way and drop this bloody thing. This might not be, this belt might be too big. Yeah, I think the belts are slightly off, the pulleys are slightly offset, so this one is further back than that one at the bottom. So this one will need to go on the top pulley of the motor. I don't want you to come off, you fall off. Now I want you to come off, you're being a sod. It's miles too big. Let's try one of these, it's a bit smaller. Right, that size belt might just work. So let's get that one down the bottom first. Go on, down you go. Right, it's got the one on. Let's try and get this top one on. Really don't look at that. So I don't know if you can see, we got the bottom one on there. So now let's try and loop this around the top one. Need to try and get the belt down past the pulley so I can drag it back up again, and there. So there we go, that is turning. So it's like as that motor turns, it's going to be turning both tape decks at the same time. Alright, let's quickly plug this in, see if it's working. my speaker wires fit over there. Let's spin this round. Just put my test speakers on. I've got on my desk. Not bringing those massive old things around. Where did I put that fucking tape? Right, so there we go. Speakers are in the back. I'm just going to turn it round this way. Fuck it. Don't swear. Just going to lay it on its back so you can see. Turn it on. Yes, remember what the time was. So, turn it on, we've got it on tape. Disc tray spinning round. Right, before I put it in, just going to press play. It's turning, the torque's not too bad. Not brilliant torque. But that is playing okay. Fast forward the wrong bloody side. So it looks like it's rewinding and fast forwarding all right in there. And we are playing okay. So no, both reels aren't turning, so why does... They're all connected to the same motor, I'm not sure why one's going, one's not. Yeah, press play on there, that one's going. Let's try this tape deck. Sounds a bit muffled that side, isn't it? That's nice and clear. That's all muffled. Let's get a bit of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton bud. Let's try cleaning the head. Probably not going to do anything. Let's turn it off a minute. Turn it off at the plug because I just want to put the head forward, make it a bit easier to clean. It's a bit orangey. I can't even see what I'm doing in here. Alright, let's see if that's made any difference. It probably won't. I don't think just cleaning the head is going to make it sound better. Oh. Tell a lie, that is better. Still not as clear as that one. But it is better, actually. So yeah, so that muffled sound was a dirty head. I'm not sure whether you're going to see how dirty that is. You can see how mucky and yellow and dirty that is, so I'm going to give that another couple of cleans and that's done. Nice simple fix. If I wasn't filming it and talking to you guys, I'd probably have that done in 10-15 minutes. I do like the simple ones, they're always the best. And also, quick tip, a tip of the day. I don't use Goo Gone. I have a litre bottle. Oh God, let's zoom out. I have a litre bottle of IPA, isopropyl alcohol. I think a litre bottle costs probably the same amount as a little bottle of Goo Gone. I just put it in these smaller bottles so I can easier to use. But stuff like sticky labels, this had the auction label on it, so that's all the sticky stuff, all the glue from the label that was on there. But I can just soak that on there, and that, if I had a cloth or something else, use a cotton bud, but that just wipes off. And because it's 99.9% alcohol, it just evaporates. So it's great on electrics. Doesn't matter if I spilt a whole bottle of that inside there. That would be fine. It would just evaporate. And then just give it a quick wipe with a cloth. There you go. No residue whatsoever. All gone. All the sticky residue gone. So I'm just going to give this a quick clean up now because everything is working. I'm going to stick my hands inside because it's plugged in. But I will just show you the, what do you call it? The CD mechanism. While I've got this open, I'll show you that the CD's working as well. Pops the tray. Where is the lens? I might give the lens a quick wipe if that's accessible. Right, put that into number 1. Play disc 1, and she pops. And that's working. A quick way of telling whether the laser is alright is to do like a fast forward, quickly skip through the disc, and if it skips through like the disc quite quickly and starts playing, and like that one just did. I think the light's interfering with it. But yeah, if it doesn't skip to the next track quite quickly, it could be a problem with the laser. But this is skipping tracks all right, apart from that first time, but I think it's because the light is shining in the laser. But there you go. Stop. That is it. That is done. That is all working. That is ready for sale. Just got to give it a good old clean up. I'm going to give this lens a quick clean with IPA as well. And that is done. The speakers that came with this sound great. So I'm going to sell the speakers separately. Let's turn this off. Yeah, I'm going to sell the speakers separately for probably 20 quid maybe. I'll have a look. I'll have a look online, see if there's any others, see what they're selling for. And this I'll probably sell for about 40 or 50 quid. So from the £4.20 pick up at the auction. And that's not bad. I'm happy with that. Right, so that's it. Nicola is now demanding a cup of tea from me, and I get on with stripping that wall and repainting it. So I'm just going to quickly make the cup of tea, get this back together. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Another machine saved from the landfill, and is going to buy me my dinner. So please give us a like, give us that thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, let's go and make Nicola a cup of tea. Happy? What are you doing?